This vlog is about to be insane. But first, and suited up, I am honestly beyond excited. I'm going to let you know exactly what's happening within the next few days. And all of this is all going to be in one vlog. So, a lot of stuff happening. Let's get right into it. So, right now I'm heading to the Durham real estate board. And I have to pick up some welcome package and do some admin stuff. I guess all the new realtors have to do this. And then I'm going to my brokerage to pick up my business cards, a for sale sign, and kind of just do my orientation. And again, with your brokerage, you may have different types of orientation and stuff like that. So I have that to do. So why is this vlog going to be amazing? Well, basically, right now, I'm going to my brokerage and the Durham board. And then after that, this weekend, so Saturday and Sunday, which you're all going to see in this vlog, I actually have two different open houses that I'm holding. So my first open house, literally within the first week of me being licensed. So if you saw my first vlog, I picked my brokerage and I applied and everything and I registered. It wasn't applied till it wasn't accepted for a few days before. So now that I am accepted and I actually get to do everything, I'm already going right into the game and I'm doing two open houses this weekend, and I'm also working on a lease, which I'll get into more detail about. But yeah, so stay tuned for all of that. So I'm en route to the first open house. Today is Saturday, and I really am excited to kind of get through this because open houses are something that are, I think, a great way to gain some experience. Obviously, I'm a newer agent, and again, like mentioned, this is my first week, and I think it's kind of interesting. I mean, I'm going to be going with another agent, so I'm going to be helping out. So it's not only me at the open house, because, I mean, that makes sense. Obviously, I'm not going to know what to do if I was holding an open house by myself, but I am doing it with someone else, and it's going to be interesting to see. So when we get to the property, we'll probably meet up with my team, Nolan and Khalil. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have already seen them plenty of times. But we're going to be meeting up with them, and then I guess I'll just meet you at the property, and we'll see how it goes. So at the open house right now, and it's pretty good. I mean, we had one person come in, and other than that, it's been a bit of a quiet day, but I've been pretty much learning from one of my coworkers and colleagues how to kind of do an open house. So it's definitely a great learning experience. In a bit, my mortgage team, Khalil and Nolan, I'll be meeting up with them. But yeah, so far it's been pretty good. I've basically learned how to do an open house. The house we're at is actually beautiful. Good lighting is coming in. But yeah, it's been an amazing experience. And tomorrow, again, I'm going to be back, and hopefully we'll have more people come in. But yeah, again, great learning experience. It's pretty interesting. I'm learning a lot. But yeah, that's the update for now. So, a bit of bad news, as well as some good news. The date right now is May 27th, and you're probably wondering, wait a second, isn't this a long time after the vlog? The answer is yes. Let me quickly break it down for you. So, after that Saturday of the open house, I was supposed to go Sunday as well, but this is what happened. Sunday, I kind of talked to Al, who was helping me out, and I kind of told him that, hey man, the open house is cool. There weren't a lot of people that came to the open house, but I definitely had a great learning experience, and I kind of told him, and we kind of mutually agreed that it wouldn't really be necessary for me to come again to learn how to do an open house, especially as I wouldn't really be doing anything different, and it would just be another experience where I just kind of sit down and whatever. But I decided not to go, and yeah, it was a great decision. Nothing wrong with that. After that, I had my orientation. So, I believe it was either Tuesday or Wednesday, I honestly don't remember. I had my orientation, which was pretty good. I met a lot of new agents, even an agent from my own brokerage who I never knew, and they were also a new agent. I met a lot of agents, some people from Peterborough, some people from Toronto. It was a great experience, it was cool, whatnot, and a bit of a learning experience as well. But what happened that did not allow me to finish this vlog? Well, okay, let me break it down for you. Basically, after that orientation, I ended up taking a bit of a 20-minute walk, and it was a pretty windy day. And again, I don't know why I did this, but for some reason I did it. I took a walk, and I came home, and I was sick. Basically, whenever I get sick, I get hammered. For some reason, whenever I get sick, I get sick maybe twice a year, and whenever I get sick, it's awful. I can't really do anything, whether that's video, whether that's work, it just sucks. So I got sick and I couldn't really do anything, couldn't talk. In fact, even as of today, I have a slight cough, and it honestly, I hate it. But anyways, a lot has happened since then, and I kind of want to do a bit of a recap and just kind of talk to you guys one-on-one. Not so much of a vlog, but again, one-on-one talking. So since then, we have done a lot of work with the Durham Soccer League. Again, that is a potential project that we are working on. If you aren't up to date on that, just send me a DM on Instagram. Also, I have been meeting a lot with my advertising team, and again, a lot of work has been put in. Again, follow me on Instagram because recently I've been to an Oshawa investment property tour. If you want to come out to those, just send me a DM and we can get you on. It's completely free. We just go and tour some properties in Oshawa that can make good investments. Other than that, my Oria video actually hit 1,000 views, which is pretty amazing to me. Thank you to everyone who has watched that video and supported it, left a comment, shared it around. It means a lot, and in fact, I think there's actually 20,000 Oria students at the moment. To me, that just blows my mind. I mean, it's insane. 20,000 students, that's 20,000 potential new agents before the new way to get your real estate license starts. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my Oria video. A lot of people love that. I've been getting loads of DMs. Even to this day, I get DMs from people saying they came from that video. So again, thank you to everyone. Other than that, I've been kind of doing some more real estate agent work as well as just getting some work done off real estate with the Durham Soccer League and stuff like that. Also thinking of starting a podcast, a bit of a sneak peek or a hint or whatever. Not too sure how that's going to work, but that is also something that is way in the back of my head. Other than that, again, I do want to apologize that the vlog did not turn out how I really wanted to, and my YouTube channel has been pretty inconsistent, but again, I am working on it. I will get it back up to hopefully 2 uploads a week. I know what I was supposed to do was 3 a week, and then eventually it hasn't even been at 1 a week, which I'm not too proud of for myself, but I did get sick, so I guess I'm going to kind of use that as an excuse. But again, content should be resuming. I really want to get more content out for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you kind of enjoyed the half of the video, second half not too much, but again, if you did enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. If you have any video ideas, just let me know. I like to do videos for you guys, not for me. Again, I'm all about pleasing the audience, so if you do have something you want me to do research on and talk about, just let me know. And other than that, if you did enjoy this video, again, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, and goodbye.